Bardagulan na to any moment from now. Yo, what's good everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video for today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So, the past few days, may nakikita ko mga comments na gusto ninyong i-react ko tong Katrina and Jessica Villarubin. So, Miss Katrina, Mami Kat, gumawa sila ng another duo performance or duet, no? Sila ay nag-Whitney Houston medley. So, I've reacted, I think, twice Whitney Houston medley ni Mami Kat, no? But today, it's very interesting kasi kasama niya si Jessica Villarubin dito sa performance na to. So, we're going to find out and let's see kung ano yung magiging bardagulan moments dito sa ano nito, sa medley na to. So this is going to be around 12 minutes, so medyo mahaba to, no? So let's jump right into the video and make sure naka-follow kayo sa aking Facebook, David Lanyas, and on Instagram, realdavid_29, okay? Para talaga sila magkapatid, no? Nice. Galing. Naglalaro-laro lang eh. Ay, may ads. Suabe. Nice. Parang kinabahan si Jessica eh. Basic. Nice. Woo. Nice. Okay, maraming nagsasabi dati nung hindi ko pa masyadong kilala si Jessica Villarubin. So, marami sa kanyang fans no na nagki-claim na siya yung next na Regine Velasquez dahil nga mataas yung boses, nakakabel talaga, solid yung mga high notes. Pero sa akin I beg to disagree because I can see more of like Katrina and Morissette sa kanyang influences pagdating sa pagkanta. I don't know if you would agree with me, pero yun yung nakikita ko, hindi si Miss Regine. Although may mga notes, high notes, may mga style din siya ng konting-konti no or influence from Miss Regine, but I kind of leaning towards Morissette and Miss Katrina. Yun yung mas nakikita ko dahil sa kanyang aggressive na style no. Lalo na pag solid talaga yung high notes. Ito mga kanta na to parang pang puro pang grand finals. Nakaupo lang yan Chill na chill Naka-de 4 lang Nice. Si Miss Katrina ba? Para siyang debutant. Ito. Okay, nagduet na sila dito. Ito na. Ito na, tumayo na to ah. So seryoso na to, men. Bardago na to any moment from now. Laro lang talaga eh. Grabe. Ano si Kuya nag-live? Parang battle rounds lang sana, The Voice. Woo! Champion. Wow, beautiful. Grabe. Champion. Ang gagaling. Grabe. Nice. So, wala na akong masabi. I said what I said earlier, no? Tungkol naman talaga kay Jessica, no? Again, I beg to disagree na may mga nagsasabi nga na nakikita nila si Miss Regine sa kanila, but I would prefer, or I would lean towards yung influences niya mas halata kay Miss Morissette and Miss Katrina, no? Which is also good, no? And kay Miss Katrina naman, very evident talaga na yung confidence level niya, parang hindi na siya kinakabahan, like she's just singing na parang naliligo lang, no, na full of confidence, wala siyang pakialam, and she's just roaming around the stage with all the, hand gestures na talagang very relaxed, kalmado. And to think na this is a Whitney Houston medley, and ang tataas talaga, no, parang pang grand finals yung lineup nila, but she did that with finesse. Talagang halata naman talaga, no, if you compare na, kung ikumpara lang natin yung boses nila talaga, Miss Katrina Velarde has more finesse. But itong si Jessica Villarubin naman, no, may finesse na siya, but there is still rawness doon, and which is a good thing as well, no, kasi nga may room for improvement pa in the future na I think it comes with experience and with maturity naman, no. Kasi based lang sa singing skills, talagang magagaling silang dalawa, like super magagaling silang dalawa. But again, may finesse kasi, or may suabe na galing sa experience and maturity, no, which Miss Katrina already has, kasi nga medyo mas matagal na siya kumpara kay Miss Jessica. But regardless, they both did well, and amazing performance. Diba? Amazing. Powerful yet beautiful. Okay? Hindi siya masakit sa tenga, no? Kahit anong taas ng inaabot nila, pero it's still soothing sa ating pandinig. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe, and God bless you all. Peace.